Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to save Instagram story to archive. First of all, go on your profile section and then tap on the plus icon on your right upper side. As you can see, you need to go on the third section that says story. Click on it. Now we need to get for a story, for example, I will use this picture and I will go your story, and now we'll need to wait. Get back on the photo, and now here on the three dots icon on your right down side, go click on it, and here you have many options right there, but as you can see also you don't have the option for archive. Go on story settings, scroll down, and here as you can see you need to make sure that on the saving option is save to story archive. Automatically save your story to your archive, so you don't have to save it to your phone, only you can see your archive. Now we are getting back to our archive with clicking on the three dots icon on your right upper side. Then go on the second selection that says archive, click on it, and here as you can see you have on the bottom side you have three options for story archive, post archive, or live archive. We are going on stories archive. Now as you can see, here is the photo that I have mentioned down below on my story side. I need to click on it, and here as you can see, here it is, the photo. Also I have the option to highlight the photo and go it to my profile, but I'll not do it for now. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.